你好，祝你有美好的一天。这就是频道 Celebrity News Today 247。这是今天的新闻。
Xiao Zhan welcomes the hour of glory. The Goose Factory supported the scene for him, and the new drama trailer broke the false statements of the past. Jade Bone Remote was released, the protagonist was on the same stage, and Xiao Zhan's subconscious gentleman's actions were too praised. Xiao Zhan welcomes the hour of glory. The Goose Factory held the scene for him, and the new drama trailer broke the false statements of the past. Wedge, Han Wei is the first to end. The gentleman Shi Ying affectionately holds the umbrella, and the smart and lovely Princess Juyan embraces passionately. The two embrace tightly. On the afternoon of the 7th, Xiao Zhan and Renmin attended the first scene of Jade Bone Yao on the same stage. The two in the play had emotional entanglements, and the gentlemen outside the play were full of demeanor. Then the film was exposed. Within 8 hours, close to 10 major entries, the number of discussions increased. The character of the protagonist has been praised to fulfill the dream of a book fan, and the heroine's fairy spirit is criticized and exaggerated. The art of shooting in the original Jiyi Mountain is quite level. Unstoppable praise. The beautiful man who walked out of the book appeared on the screen. Close to the loneliness of the characters in the work. If we are divorced, we see Xiao Zhan's strong empathy, just a few eyes, a few concise lines, immediately immersed in it. It feels so good, it fits the image of a priest, begging to be a little lighter. Generally speaking, Bianhua is very successful and has captured the hearts of some people. Forward, the beautiful encounter, the deep, rooted love, and the growth of one drink and one peck witnessed the separation between them from the farewell, leaving each other's lives to jointly protecting the empty Sang, and carrying on the mission. The whole drama has raised expectations. The official work of Jade Bone Remote is very beautiful. The two protagonists in the heart, abuse poster are inseparable, but they do not accept their fate. This is the glory of Xiao Zhan. He welcomes the time of glory and the Goose Factory supports him. The main feature of the rest of life is specially placed in the introduction of the light-picking ceremony. In addition, what is particularly moving is that the unfinished Jade Bone Remote fulfilled its promise, and the new drama preview broke the false statements of the past. The highlight stage reduction of the male protagonist that was circulated before is the shadow behind the female protagonist. The script was leaked in a large amount, and the people were directly hit in the face. This time he took action to protect Xiao Zhan and get a vaccination for the play. How can you admit to something that has never happened? One wake up from a big dream, the boy sets sail. Drifting, understanding the priceless affection, the true meaning of the reunion of mountains and rivers. Duplicity, a cruel break. Shi Ying realized that it was impossible for him to live for the life and death of Kong Song, and it was impossible to be emotional. He is a forbearing, cold-hearted son, who takes the world as the core of his career and puts his children's love aside. The love detode, the helplessness when heartache, time will heal. The most tearful scene in the play, sending Juyan down to Jiyi Mountain. There is no longer a hard time to part with love, whether you can see you again depends on God's will. Xiao Zhan and Renmin took over the important task and opened a new page. From the simple preview, the two have a tacit understanding of perfect scores, which is worth the wait. Although it's only a rough storyline, but can understand Jade Bone Remote. The hard work of the main creative team, taking the work as the center, solemnly swear to the public to provide the actors with a safe shooting environment while ensuring the quality. And this is just the beginning. There will be significant disputes on the IP that is in the spotlight. Yesterday's clip opened the tip of the iceberg of the relationship between master and apprentice. It is very likely to be a New Year's drama. From the perspective of capital support and the attention of the teams on both sides, this drama propped up the face of the traffic age, and the Goose Factory spent a lot of investment in setting up the scene. The interests of the ice race and the shark race are fighting, and they also put aside their narrow thinking and put their perspective on saving the dynasty and the fate of the people. It's remarkable. The fateful bondage, the realistic punishment, stings a person who has a deep love. From karma, you will have a high probability of realizing the difficulties of the adult world. Shi Ying let go of Juyan, His frustration. Xiao Zhan played cold and arrogant and performed a sense of hierarchy. This wave of trailers clearly demonstrated the quality of the work and the long-term road to be taken next. Two Shanyi grey horses are in their youth, wars are ruthlessly ignited in chaos. The storm is over, the heat wave hits, the river flows, and in the circle of spear and shield upgrade, it is impossible to always be peaceful, and there is no way to always be peaceful. The previous risk taken by the crew of Jade Bone Remote was that the enemy brewed a conspiracy theory, deliberately engage in criminal actions, planting out of thin air, condemnation, and rebuke. Now, to clean up the grievances, the drama party has no fear of rumor makers, subverting cognition, and issued the first version of the trailer, doing it very simply. In this territory of the entertainment industry, who wins and who loses has their own conclusions. Xiao Zhan met Shi Ying in the time when Shan Yi was angry with the horse. He is gentle, disdained to care about those who have ugly thoughts in his heart, so one by one no longer pay attention. Helplessly, the indulgence of human nature exposes the bad intentions of the planner. From Reuters to the rising popularity of the movie, I once again provoked the fan to describe the plot as the main heroine, which makes people feel speechless. I don't know why I don't come out to catch the heat. 80% of this half-piece of flower is around Xiying's psychological activities, whereas the growth of Juyan as the core. Quality determines character, education level determines accomplishment. In an era when everything needs real answers, it is common for fans and idols to have a harmonious and friendly relationship and be jealous. And using Peter Pan to break Jade Bone Yao with the old storm again, I think this is very mindless. Think about it carefully, where the official blog is. What society needs are heroes who care for each other, not thugs who chew their tongues and bite people. Art must reject mediocrity in order to keep up with the great era. A good film and television IP, if it is always affected by something insignificant, how can there be a chance to go abroad? Inherit the positive power. Shaping professionalism is a quality that a perfect artist should have. 3 Shahong has something to say. The still wind, the fluttering tree, and the imprint of motionlessness hide gratitude for the past. A wise man should have the ability to move forward courageously, and he should also have the talent to travel the world with the sword. In the circle of advancing with the times and striving for the top, do your best to realize your dreams. The actor Xiao Zhan has accumulated energy and ignited blood. The future will be bright. And tomorrow will be bright. The preview of Jade Bone Remote. The protagonist is on the same stage for business. Xiao Zhan's subconscious gentleman's behavior is too praised. 01 The preview of Jade Bone Remote comes to an end with the light-picking ceremony event. Everyone also saw the previews of various upcoming dramas. It's just sweet pet dramas, fairy, Xia dramas, and urban dramas, but everyone is very interested in the costume drama Jade Bone Yao, in which Xiao Zhan and Ren Min participated. Lang Qianvi appearance partner acting. This actor configuration is also no one. Jade Bone Remote has been filming for a long time. In order to keep the audience looking forward to Jade Bone Remote, the first trailer was finally released on the whole network. Everyone is blessed. From the preview screen, we can see that the Goose Factory still spent a lot of money. The special effects and painting style are online, and the service process is also very exquisite. Generally speaking, the script and quality of Jade Bone Remote are very satisfying. Especially in the trailer, Xiao Zhan's crying scene is also worthy of everyone's praise. Chong Yao style tears are popular in the circle, and this method of crying is also called a textbook. But who would have thought that Xiao Zhan would use time shadow? The role teaches the audience a lesson. It's no wonder that the topic of Xiao Zhan cry has caused everyone to discuss. It turns out that Xiao Zhan's acting is very expressive, and his acting skills have improved a lot. 02 The protagonist is on the same stage, but the crew of Jade Bone Remote released a preview, which is far from enough to support the heat. In order to achieve the desired effect, the director sent Xiao Zhan and Ren Min to participate in the light-gathering ceremony. Both Ren Min and Xiao Zhan attended the event in costumes. The black and white match look is amazing, but at the moment when he took the stage, Ren Min held Xiao Zhan's arm all the way. It is not difficult to see that this pair of CP has a good relationship. and when Xiao Zhan and Renmin really stood on the stage, the looks of the two are so good, but as professional actors, they have great on-the-spot reactions. I don't know if there are any mistakes in the staffing of the Goose Factory this time. The host has not many problems. On the contrary, it gave people a sense of sight, but fortunately Xiao Zhan smiled throughout. However, Renmin was still a little nervous and serious at first. Faced with the host's problem, Renmin couldn't let go. Fortunately, Xiao Zhan took great care of Renmin. When the host asked a question, Xiao Zhan looked at Renmin for the first time. As long as Renmin didn't have the desire to speak, Xiao Zhan would immediately rescue him. I have to say that Xiao Zhan is great, and very careful and kind. 03 Xiao Zhan's actions become the focus. So at the gathering ceremony, Xiao Zhan not only took care of the heroine Renmin, but actually he was a bit flying himself. Especially at the moment when Xiao Zhan held the umbrella, although he said that his actions were not weird, his smile was too bright, and the atmosphere on the scene suddenly warmed up. To my mind, Xiao Zhan is afraid that this is a happy fruit. It is worth mentioning that when Xiao Zhan and Renmin finished the propaganda session and instead wanted to step down and rush on stage, Xiao Zhan subconsciously made a gentleman's move. As you can see, Renmin wore high heels on stage. The stage was relatively slippery, and Renmin walked a bit awkwardly at the beginning. But in order to make Renmin walk at ease, Xiao Zhan immediately stretched out his hand. 04 Xiao Zhan's subconscious gentleman's actions are great. The screenshot is enlarged 3 times. Xiao Zhan and Renmin originally left separately, and the two wanted to avoid suspicion. Even if they play CP in the play, in real life, Xiao Zhan and Renmin are just colleagues. It's just that Xiao Zhan didn't avoid suspicion. Seeing Renmin walking cautiously, Xiao Zhan stretched out his hand. Obviously he wanted to hold Renmin. And seeing Xiao Zhan stretch out his hand, Renmin also naturally held Xiao Zhan's hand. This time the audience in front of the TV can't sit still. The scene of handsome men and beautiful women in the same frame is seductive. I don't know that Xiao Zhan is sugar at the scene. Jade Bone Yao has not been broadcast yet, but Xiao Zhan takes the initiative to hold Renmin's hand. This picture instantly made the drama fans excited. 05 Xiao Zhan was praised by netizens. It's just that after Renmin held Xiao Zhan's hand, she separated again after half a minute. Renmin still wanted to avoid suspicion in the public. Even if Xiao Zhan is a gentleman's hand, keyboard man will certainly not overinterpret, so Renmin quickly let go of his hand, and then put his hand on his back. The two did not want to make trouble for each other. But when Xiao Zhan took the initiative to hold Renmin's hand, Peter Pan expressed understanding and said, "The picture is too good and too heartwarming. Xiao Zhan has been taking care of the girls. Very gentleman, very caring. Xiao Zhan is great." Looking at the comments of netizens, Xiao Zhan once again circled a wave of fans. He is handsome and kind and has a gentleman's hand. Such idols are worthy of everyone's love. When do you think Jade Bone Remote will be released soonest?